For so long I carried the weight of my past, crippled by burdens like stones on my back. I thought I had fallen too far.
Don't miss out. June the 30th at 4:30 p.m. here at our Discovery Christian School campus, we're going to have a family celebration day. We're going to have water slides. We're going to have food. We're going to have so much fun, you can't stand it. June the 30th at 4:30 p.m. Don't miss out. I'll see you there.
To believe. Now I'm alive and born again, rescued from the grave.
Youth group, don't miss out. Sunday, June the 23rd from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. at my house, we're going to have a summer kickoff party. It's going to be awesome. If you were going in the 7th grade in fall, it is time for you to graduate to youth group. It's official. You're invited. You're now part of the youth group. Make sure you bring your swimming stuff. Make sure you bring a towel. Make sure you come hungry and ready to eat. It's going to be awesome. Ladies, no two pieces. If you have a two-piece, just wear a t-shirt over it. Also, all ladies, you must wear shorts with your swimsuit. It's going to be so much fun.
Rescued from the grave of sin, got your love came crashing in and pulled me out of the fire. I'm a survivor.
I am so excited about this year's Gateway Student Conference. It'll be an awesome time where we bring our youth group to Dallas, Texas, to Gateway Church and experience God with 4,000 other young people. This year, Restoration is bringing 38 people to Dallas. And Restoration, we need your help. Our normal means of transportation has fallen through, and we are having to charter a bus to Dallas, Texas this year. The charter is adding an extra $5,000 to our trip budget. And in order to offset these costs, we're asking you, Restoration Church, to invest in our youth group. It is an awesome time where we build long-lasting relationships, we have a great time, and we experience God in an awesome way. Thank you so much for your investment and your prayers into our youth group. God is moving, and we can't wait to see what awesome things He has in store.
You